Madison. All right, so yeah, we are very excited we can play a small part in making this happen. So hey, I'm Abi. I'm from Tellius. We're an AI platform for building data applications. And we're really focused on making LLMs do really complex things on complex data. So that means terabyte scale data, not CSVs, and complex data models rather than flat files. And really where we're going is building these systems that operate mostly in the background with long-running workflows and do the work of entire analytics teams. We're already used today in production by companies like PepsiCo, Procter & Gamble, Novartis, and many others. And most of all, we are really hiring. So engineers, designers, PMs, sales, marketing, recruiters, anything you can think of. If you're interested in really schleppy work that requires a lot of talking to customers and figuring out really gnarly problems that they have in their data, come talk to me. And really appreciate all the hard work putting this on.